Hey everyone, Corey Tafoya, District 120 Superintendent with Kevin Quinn here. We are actually standing on the ground of the future tennis courts. Yet this fall, these will be the Mundelein High School tennis courts. So we're pretty excited. We want to show you. We haven't done as many videos about Village Green, but you've got Midlothian right out to our right, and you can see the clubhouse behind us where we're on the grounds of Village Green, and we haven't given you as much detail, but as you can see by all the trucks, and you can see as you drive by, there's a lot of things going on. But this will be the first piece of Village Green to be done, the tennis courts in the parking lot right behind us, right?
Yes, we're anticipated opening date here is August 10th. So we're pushing this along very well, and then we'll continue with our other fields, multi-purpose fields, baseball field and softball field, and parking lots. Right behind us is the parking lot for the tennis courts.
So when moving this much earth, and we've been really blessed with weather for the last 2 weeks, it's been really dry, but just give us a sense of how much earth has been moved here to make these fields a multi-purpose, a softball and baseball field.
Well, I think a significant amount, and one of the benefits for us is we've hauled 40,000 yards of dirt from the campus, and so that was a savings to the district, and we brought that over here, perfect clay, exactly what we needed to grade this area, especially as we move down east of here towards those other fields.
Yeah. Well, as you're driving along Midlothian, you'll be able to see this soon enough, because we're standing on it. It's hard. It looks like it's ready to go, and we'll have the parking lot right next to it. So all you tennis fans, you're going to have a beautiful facility. And Kevin, tell us a story. You were telling us a minute ago that when the people were looking at this, the engineers a couple years ago, they really had a lot of respect for this. They said, man, you're talking about probably one of Lake County's finest sporting facilities when it's all done.
Yeah, we as the Lake County engineers, when we went through the review process and we were doing soil borings and things like that, they were out here, and that was a common refrain that this is going to be the most beautiful athletic complex in Lake County, and we're headed there. This is beautiful surroundings. We're open. We got a whole bunch of land surrounding us. We got free space to our south and our east and a little bit to our west. So this is going to be fantastic. Ample parking for everybody. This will be perfect for us.
So now as we build this up too, remember that next fall we'll have the tennis courts here ready, and then in the spring, that's when we think actively those fields would be ready for whatever we choose to use it for, the multi-purpose in the spring, as well as the reserve level with softball and baseball. There won't be lights on the baseball, softball field.
No. And
we won't have like plumbing restrooms yet for a while, but that's part of the build-up. We want to get the basics done. But next spring, yeah, will those be active spaces for our kids?
Yes, absolutely, and we're making great progress. We did have an incredibly wet and cold spring, so it kind of delayed us a little bit, but we definitely caught up in the last couple months here, and we're making good progress on it.
Good. Well, we wanted to show you a little bit of Village Green because that is a big part of the referendum project itself. It's going to provide a lot of opportunities for our kids to have enough space to really practice. As you know, on our tight campus, we don't have a lot of extra space. So this is a huge answer, and it's going to be wonderful for our kids. We'll be back next week because there's some exciting things that are happening, especially in the area of our new classrooms that are almost done with flooring, and our cafeteria, which is making huge progress. So we'll be back next week to show you some of the progress back on campus. But here's Village Green. We'll be back for you probably when we're showing you some tennis courts in a month or so. Thanks, everyone.